Hey guys, we learned that the I-bonds has a sweet 9.62% return on investment. Here's how we can buy them on TreasuryDirect.gov. Go to TreasuryDirect.gov. Click on the individual tab and then My Accounts. Create an account. Hit Apply Now. Choose Individual Account and then hit Submit. Fill in your particulars here. Check this box here to confirm that your particulars are correct. When done, hit Submit. Next, review the page here for correctness and then hit Submit. Here you will have to pick a picture and a caption. The next time you log in, the picture and caption will be presented so that you can be sure that the website is authentic. Hit Submit. Choose a password here. Enter a password reminder. Answer 3 security questions and then hit Submit. Next, you will see this thank you page informing you that Treasury Direct will send you your account number in the email you provided. Go up and click on Treasury Direct Home. From the home page, click on Treasury Direct under the account login section. Next, click on Login. Enter the account number you got from your email and then hit Submit. Treasury Direct will send you an OTP, one-time password, in your email. Let's get that from our email and then back to the website. Enter the OTP here and then click Submit. Next, here is where the picture and caption you have chosen earlier will show up, notifying you that this is indeed a true, authentic Treasury Direct website. Enter your password here. You can only enter it through this virtual keyboard. Once done, hit Submit. Next, you'll be led to your account page. At the top, click on Buy Direct. Head over and choose Series I Saving Bonds, then hit Submit. Here, specify the dollar value you would like to put into the I-bond. Select the purchase frequency of your choice and then hit Submit. Review your purchase and hit Submit. And then once you see this confirmation page, bam, you're done. Kudos to you for taking the time to grow your dollars during inflation. Hey, if you got value out of this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the Kind Juju Based channel for more goodies like this. Share this with your friends so that they can know how to buy I-bonds as well. And thank you! Cut. 搞掉 finish 掉